So I'm in the middle of my morning run, and it is a perfect time to talk about the origin of the universe. And physics is a great frame of theorizing about the world. And Einstein's theory of relativity, for example, or quantum mechanics, they are really wonderful theories to account for how the universe evolves once it is there. Looking at the modern physics, you would notice that these wonderful scientists are trying to explain how the universe started in the first place, and they talk about 10 to the 110 different states of the vacuum and baby universes and quantum fluctuations before the Big Bang and so on. And if you look at these intellectual endeavors, which are really great, you notice that they tend to think that the same set of physical rules would be applicable even before the universe started. Now, it is one thing to say that the physical rules control how matters and photons and space-time evolve once a universe is made, but it is quite another thing to say that even before the birth of the universe, there would be, the same set of physical rules governing whatever it is before the universe started. Now I have found a really wonderful specimen of Higambana. Yeah, this wonderful plant appears all of a sudden when autumn sets, and it is a really beautiful creature. Oh, there's a mosquito. So anyway, I was saying that this assumption that the same set of physical laws would apply even before the universe was born. And in addition to that, how the universe is generated and how they disappear is also governed by the same set of laws. This is a really strong assumption, and it might be true. And it is at least audacious to think that way, but there's no guarantee that it is true. And so this assumption is to avoid external interventions as much as possible. You may call it God or deity or whatever. The assumption that there is no external intervention, even when the universe is born and destroyed, that is a very strong assumption, which I find very interesting, actually. As interesting as that beautiful specimen of plant that I discovered a few minutes ago.